Gen-I Hotspot Pipe Locator from General Pipe Cleaners makes locating easier than ever. Its total field antenna array and on-screen icons lead you right to your target without the long learning curve. Whether you're an experienced pro or a first-time user, you'll be able to quickly locate inspection cameras, suns, active power lines, and buried utility lines with pinpoint accuracy. The easy-to-see auto backlit LCD display shows you the way. It's as easy as ABC. A. On-screen arrows point you in the right direction. No need to interpret numbers and bar graphs. B. When all four arrows point back toward each other, indicating you're at the null point, you've found the pipe location. C. Now move the hotspot pipe locator between the null points. The line direction compass will tell you the lay of the pipe. Just follow the arrows around the outside of the circle until the locator blade lines up with the pipe. When you're directly over the camera, a diamond appears at the center of the circle, indicating the camera location. The depth of the camera will automatically appear on the screen at the same time. Check for active power lines before you dig by switching the hotspot to power line location. Or use the hotspot pipe locator in tandem with the 5-watt transmitter to locate buried utilities. Utility location used to be hard, not anymore. Just circle the energized pipe or active power line until the diamond appears on the screen. That's how easy the location process is. The hotspot is the industry's most rugged locator. Rated at IP65, it's dust-proof and dirt and water resistant. The new Gen-I Hotspot Pipe Locator. It makes location simply easier. For more information or to schedule a demonstration, call the Drain Brains at General Pipe Cleaners or visit drainbrain.com/hotspot. General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.